When I hear you.
From top there by this by.
So I look like
Yeah, this kind of one.
Sweet.
Morning everybody. Going by Auntie Sati. Yeah, we're gonna visit our neighbor Auntie Sati. I can't recognize this gate. Inside. Inside.
Morning. I'll be bright and early.
How are you though? You got any paper here?
Kitchen little bit.
Patsy,
They in there clean.
what was the berry? Oh. What in that cup for it?
Tiga pat kami kalong.
You too fat, make you fall long. It's a rainy morning this morning, Sunday. There's Auntie Sati. Just got a couple fruit tree back here. Oh, right now the mango tree there, boy. So you smelling pepper. This pepper does give you food a nice flavor. A papaya, mango tree loaded there. Spice mango. That's a young papa. Watch over there, whole load of bunch of mango. Got some more papaya back here. Oh, this mango here, boy. A guava tree over there. This look like sapodilla. I got a friend that greeted me over there. Man. Yeah, got some coconut at the back over there. Soursop. I say soursop. And some soury. How low this papaya? Papaya very low. Yeah, tulsi. Yeah, so look what Auntie Sati got here, buddy. One bowl of soup. What is it? No. Some water is okay.
When I hear you.
Some top there by Tiger, you got Tiger here.
Want me to do now?
Cassava, plantain,
Not really,
arrow.
Nah, I invite her for lunch and I'm
Sweet
coming back
potato.
to here about 2-3 o'clock. I'm going home.
That's from
We never know where after that.
do something for Auntie Junina.
We think we have to make out just short, but I left 40 by 7.
Auntie must have did on the rooftop.
Good.
Alright.
See that anything?
She didn't put that review.
Yeah, arrow too hot.
Do you want pepper?
Thank you, Annalisa.
Did I bring something for Auntie Junina?
Rocky, we got something for you, but I'm not ready to drop them out.
So I asked Auntie Sati for coffee mango. A little, I think, a little kind of pick it. You pick the mango, boy? Oh, yeah, mango you go pick? Oh.
Si phải kẹt thêm cây yến á.
Yeah. Ini kan low kan? Yeah. So we're gonna get a couple of them mango I see earlier. Oh, not bad for this, right?
So it look like the
Yeah, this kind of one.
chamo way. Oh, it crashed.
What about the one over there?
Yeah.
What you got one there by yourself?
This yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you this man action here. Alright. You fall for the bro.
This have a too there.
No, one message just.
No, I think have
Yeah, I think I got two.
No, then sa atin you know, like
Let me ask you if she want any. I don't know if you guys catch this earlier, but you got a long mango here. This tree look dry enough. What will leaf?
Yes, sir, your bond deleted it and the thing I will speak no Hong Kong na madi.
Oh.
That's traditional true.
Yeah.
You are almost right, man. This is go for the
Yeah, because you guys hurry up there. You got a bunch up there, but they're not right.
Yeah?
You got a bunch straight through up there. Yeah, next big bunch over here, but it's still green. That's sucking mango. Long mango.
Huh?
Sucking mango.
Plenty juice.
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
So you remember this kind of washing? Now walk on home, you wash your walking clothes.
See, as a black party.
Yeah, right.
Wait, then. Lang say the watch on me.
हाँ सामान था बना रहा था So little walking in it back them. Planting cane and thing. How long you left have to walk for? Couple year, well, right?
Yeah, 4 years.
4 years? Okay, well 4 years you left to. Alright guys, you recognize this? Lang mango, and it right. I'll show you. See there? So how do you see this? You gotta squeeze it. See? Like that. And get out the juice from there. And I had this already. This one's sweet. Soften it up. Here. All the juices they just running inside there. Now you notice I got my plate there? You're gonna see. So once you do that now, this mango got a lot of juice. Once you bite this here, this juice gonna start gushing out. It choked me earlier. So I got my plate, see? But every day outside is a different story, but see, look at that. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So you see what a plate is for, right? So after you're done, suck out the juice. We can't also, some of you have forget to eat mango. Look at this. And then you use this here to hold it. I know, yeah, I used to shine mango seed long time. I'll show you how to shine one right now. Sweet bud. I got about 3 or 4 more there. I'll go today. I'll go finish today. Get in there, see? Let me hurry up, you know, I have a side time. See that? Done. Oh, you got a little bit there. Your mango seed got to be white, man, when you're done. There you go. See, that's how you eat a mango, lang mango. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So that was a little bit visit to Auntie Satie's. Hope you enjoyed the little video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Back out on the street. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.